with Lizzie OMG, and today we are going to be doing testing slime with some people. I don't know, I forgot. We're going to try putting this for 45 minutes in the freezer and see what happens. It's a challenge. Let's get to it. And this is my assistant. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Soraya. Let's go. Ignore the people if they're out there, kids, because they're crazy. See? They're crazy. Okay. So
basically we just have like this.
yeah, but should we keep it inside of there?
We've been playing with it, so
yeah. Okay, while she's doing that, we're gonna be putting it in this freezer. Oh, it's packed. Oh, what the heck?
We're gonna put it right here.
There, you put it right there.
Okay.
And the sauce, you can smack me. That's good.
Okay. Now we're going to be trying to use this
Soap.
I don't know. Comment down below if you know how to pronounce this.
It's wait, let me see. Palmolive. Well, comment down below what y'all think is gonna do. So you can put it in there.
Yeah.
How many drops?
I think like a layer. That's good.
A layer. Okay. Should we touch it or not? I don't think we should touch it.
Yeah.
Cause okay, you're gonna
close it. And then now we're going to put it in the freezer.
Okay. So in the freezer. Okay. You said you're gonna put it right here. Right there. Fine. Okay. Let people look at it. It's gonna look. It looks like rotten cheese. We're gonna see for 45 minutes. Wait, don't close.